Hey traders, welcome to Easy Trading Tips. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to identify the perfect bullish engulfing pattern. The bullish engulfing pattern is a candlestick pattern that converts a downtrend to an uptrend. But all bullish engulfing patterns do not convert a downtrend to an uptrend. And only 100% perfect bullish engulfing pattern converts a downtrend to an uptrend. Today we will learn how to determine a 100% perfect bullish engulfing pattern. So let's get started. When a small red candlestick follows a large green candlestick, a bullish engulfing pattern can be determined. After forming this pattern, traders buy the market and make profits in the transaction. They can only make money when the pattern becomes 100% perfect. Let's look at the conditions that form a 100% perfect bullish engulfing pattern. Number 1. Both candles should be average, as shown in the figure. The candlestick should not be larger. Number 2. Green candles should be between 120% and 140% compared to red. Number 3. There should be an upper and a lower legs on the both sides. These 3 points are very important for determining a 100% perfect bullish engulfing pattern. Let's look at some examples of the success percentage of the bullish engulfing pattern. This is a 100% perfect bullish engulfing pattern because this pattern has all three conditions. So the success rate of this pattern is also around 100%. In order to obtain a success rate of approximately 100%, you should use any one of the other instruments such as support resistance, oversold overbought zones, Bollinger Band, moving average, etc. Here the legs of the red and green candles are small, so the success rate of these patterns are around 85%. Here some candles have no legs on one or both sides, so the success rate of these patterns are around 75%. There are no legs on the either side, so the success rate of this pattern is around 65%. In this picture, it is 100% perfect because in the comparison of red, the green candle is between 120% and 140%. The green candle here is slightly larger, between 150% and 175%. So the success rate of this pattern is about 80%. Here it is 175 to 200% compared to red. So the success rate of this pattern is about 70%. The green candle here is very large. It is between 200 and 300% compared to red. Therefore, the success rate of this pattern is less than 60%. If the green candle is greater than 300%, the success rate becomes 50-50. The candles should also be average. In this picture, this pattern is the average pattern, so the success rate of this pattern is around 100%. But in these patterns, the green candles are between 120% and 140%. But both candles are larger, so the success rate of these patterns are reduced. Therefore, we should only trade in the average pattern to get more success rates. Thank you for watching.